Make a great choice today with the 2005 RX 330. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, trip computer, power outlet, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.